Okay, so this problem asks us to write a rule for the function. So to do that, I need to find the a value of the table and the b value of the table so that I can write the function in the form f of x equals a times b to the x. So if I do that, first of all, I see that my initial value is 5. So I start up with that. Now, I notice that the table is multiplying by 9. What I also notice, though, is that's when x is 2. So there have been 2 multiplications and a total multiplication of 9. So if I look a little bit closer at the table, here's 0, here's 5, here's 2, here's 45. Something had to happen in between at 1. And I'm multiplying by the same thing each time. So to do a total of times 9, I had to multiply by 3 twice. Multiplying by 3 twice is the same as multiplying by 9 over the two x values. So 5 times 3 was 15. 15 times 3 was 45, which gave me my total multiplication of 9. So when x goes up by something other than 1, you need to kind of think, okay, how many times did I multiply? And what did I multiply by? So to find how much it would be to multiply for 1. So b in this case was 3. So that means that my equation is going to be f of x equals 5 times 3 to the x power. And if you watched this video, put a smiley face next to number 5.